Welcome back, beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious zucchini with cheese rolled taquitos that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare these rolled taquitos with zucchini and cheese, Oaxaca cheese, these are the ingredients. I have tomatillos for a delicious sauce that I'm going to make, jalapenos, half an onion, zucchini, chicken bouillon, 2 garlic cloves, tortillas, and Oaxaca cheese. This is everything you need to prepare these amazing rolled taquitos with zucchini and cheese. So let's get started. I want to start by making my salsa verde. I have my tomatillos, my 3 jalapenos, and my half an onion, which I washed and rinsed very good. Now, here on the pan, I have nice and hot water. I am going to add the tomatillos, jalapeno, and the onion, and I'm going to leave it here for about 10 minutes until the tomatillos are soft and they have changed color to a dark green. Once this is done, I am ready to remove, add it to my blender cup, and of course you could add salt to taste or add chicken bouillon to taste with 2 garlic cloves. Look at this. I have all my salsa in here, my tomatillos, and now I am ready to add the chicken bouillon and my garlic clove. I am going to blend it really good. It just takes a couple minutes. Look how thick this is. This is exactly how you want your tomatillo salsa. Let me show you the texture. I love making my salsa first before I start making my rolled taquitos. While the salsa is ready, I'm going to put it aside so it starts cooling down a little bit. And here I have my zucchini nice and washed, and now I'm ready to slice. Look how I'm slicing the zucchini. I want to make sure that I slice it nice and thin so I could make the little strips. These rolled taquitos really come out amazing. The zucchini cooks and gets nice and tender when you are frying your rolled taquitos. Look at this. It really doesn't take too long to enjoy these amazing and delicious zucchini and queso Oaxaca rolled taquitos. I have my queso Oaxaca here. I'm going to pull it apart. You could shred it apart or you could slice it, whichever is easier for you. I like cutting it with the knife because I decide how thick I want the slices. Look at this. I am going to continue slicing away the cheese. Look at this. I have it ready. I have all the zucchini. I have the Oaxaca cheese, which is really creamy and thick. And I have the corn tortillas. The corn tortillas, I have them in a little baggie. I'm going to take them to the microwave for about 1 minute, 30 to 60 seconds, so they get nice and pliable, nice and warm, and I am able to roll up the taquitos. They're really nice and hot. I am ready to put 4 slices of the zucchini and 2 slices of the queso Oaxaca. Look how easy this is. But yet the zucchini will cook and will be really tender when the taquitos are nice and crispy. This is the part I really love. creating these amazing and healthy taquitos. I am sure that once you make them, you're going to love them. If you got up to this part of the video and you like this amazing recipe, please leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. I have all my taquitos ready to go. And let's go to the stove. On the stove, I have a pan with vegetable oil getting nice and hot. How do you know when the vegetable oil is hot? You add a little piece of tortilla. If it floats to the top, that means that the oil is ready for you to add your rolled taquitos. I love doing it like this. I don't flip them too much. I leave them there for about 1 to 2 minutes and then flip them. You don't want to flip them too much, or else the cheese will come out or the zucchini will come out. And once they're done, look at this. The cheese is actually coming out. Believe me, the zucchini is nice and tender. I am sure that you're going to love these rolled taquitos. And now I am ready to plate some taquitos here. This is going to be the presentation plate. And of course, I need to add almost everything on top of it. I'm adding some more salt on the top, adding some sour cream, and of course, adding some queso fresco. And this is ready to go. I can't wait to taste it. I can't wait to dig in. These are my version of healthy taquitos, rolled taquitos, zucchini and Oaxaca cheese. You're gonna love them. I'm ready for the presentation. I'll see you in just a little bit. My friends, I am completely done with these rolled taquitos with zucchini and queso Oaxaca. This is the part I love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Of course, I added the green salsa right on the top. Cover them completely. Add some sour cream and queso cacique in. Let's enjoy. Delicious. The zucchini is nice and tender. The queso Oaxaca melted over the zucchinis. Let me tell you, you need to make these delicious rolled taquitos with zucchini and queso Oaxaca. If you like and loved this amazing recipe, leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying these amazing rolled taquitos of zucchini and queso Oaxaca. See you soon. Bye-bye.